If you guys know me well, you know that I love to make crafts and decorate my house without spending a lot of money. And today's video is gonna be all about that. Welcome back to my channel. So excited for today's video. We're going to be doing something a little bit different, but I know that you are going to love. I'm going to share with you the best things that I have found that have an amazing quality, a high-end look, but actually they are very inexpensive. For example, my first item. I love this. I have been looking for something like this for so long. This is a very long stem piece with a lot of greenery. You can open all of these branches, and this is huge. You can get not only one but two in the package. It's going to end up looking something like this, and I have seen these and the price is over $20, and I get them both for less than $10. Can you believe it? You can see the size of this. It's huge and I love the quality. It's amazing, and you can get it from Temu for less than $10. And guys, today's video is going to be all about that. I want to say thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. We're going to be sharing with you all of the things that I just found. And if you don't know yet what Temu is the #1 free app on App Store, and guys, they have affordable prices. The app is super easy to use and I really like it. You can get so much stuff there. It's a marketplace where you can buy so many things on a budget, guys. I'm talking about clothing, home decoration, electronics, kitchen, beauty, outdoors, toys, and so much more, you name it. They have amazing coupons and sales up to 90% off every single day, which is so cool. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a coupon code too that you can use once you download that app. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. You can add that coupon code and you can save even more money. And one of the things that I really love about Temu and that I really appreciate is that they have free shipping and free returns up to 90 days. So if you haven't downloaded that app, you need to do it now so you can start saving money. And so make sure that you check the links in the description box. And also, guys, I'm going to leave you all of the things that I'm going to mention in today's video. All of the products are going to be there, so check that out. Fall season is almost here, and guys, you can check Temu because they have the most beautiful stuff there on a budget. I got the cutest retro lamp and I really love they have the perfect size, perfect shape. It's plastic, so it's not gonna break. Then this is perfect, especially if you have kids. It's battery operated and it looks something like this. You can get this at Temu for less than $5. This is going to make any space look beautiful with that touch of coziness that we are looking for. You can get this mini lamp in different colors. I got the black one, and I think I'm going to be using this not for the fall season but also for Christmas. If you want to give your home a touch of coziness, you have to get some candle holders. And guys, I got these ones from Temu. They come in a set of 3. All of them are in different sizes. This looks very expensive, very high-end, but this actually costs like $6 for the set of 3, so I actually get 2 sets. They come with a foamy sticker that you can stick on the bottom of the candle holder, and this is not going to cause any damage on any of your surfaces. If you have candle holders, you need to have candles. But let's be honest, I don't want fire in my house, especially with kids, so I found the cutest candles that you can get from Temu. They are battery operated, and they even come with a control that you can use to turn them on, turn them on. They have different settings, and this is real wax LED candlesticks, guys. It's perfect for your home decoration, for gifts, for a wedding, for a party decor, and it comes in different colors. I got the ones that comes in a set of 6, and they cost about $23, but guys, they have so many more options that you can choose on the Temu app. This channel is all about crafts and home decoration, and I'm going to show you one thing that I found that is going to be a life changer when crafting. So if you love to craft too, you need to have this. Is this silicone mat? Is huge, it's gigantic. This is going to protect all of my surfaces from my hot glue gun, from the paint when I'm crafting, and so much more. This one is a pretty large placemat that I found. You can get it in different colors too, and this costs less than $7 at Temu. So if you love crafting like me, you need to have this in your life. Moving from the crafts to our kitchen, I'm going to share with you something that I found that I really love. I have a small problem in my kitchen, is that my refrigerator doesn't have like this ice maker machine, and here in Puerto Rico is so hot, and I found this. is an ice maker tray. This is a set actually. This is a very trendy piece right now where you can see in like all of the social medias, and you can get it on Temu. You can make these little ice bowls that come with 2 of these ice trays, also come with the gigantic bowl and some tools that you can use. Because this is a whole set, it cost me less than $13, but they have it in so many colors too, so make sure that you download the app right now so you can check all of the options and all of the sales that they have. Another thing that I added to my kitchen is these amazing non-slip mats, and I really love this. I love the pattern that it has. Like I said, is non-slip. You can get this in different sizes, different patterns. They have a huge selection on Temu, and the most amazing thing is the price. Guys, you can get this for less than $5. It's beautiful and I really love it. I think I actually can put this on my bathroom too. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, if I should keep this on my kitchen or maybe on my bathroom. Sometimes people ask me how I can decorate my house for every season without spending a lot of money. And guys, you can get things that are going to make a huge change in your house that are very inexpensive, and actually they're going to save you a lot of space. Those are pillow covers. And guys, I got this one on Temu for less than $3. I mean, the pattern is beautiful. It has like this orange mustard color that I think is going to match perfect on my sofa, and it's perfect for the fall season too. They cost less than $3, so you can get so many of these. Completely change the look of your living room just by changing your pillow covers. I start making a small makeover on my son's bedroom, so the first thing that I thought I will need are a bedspread cover, and I got the perfect one on Temu. I was looking for something very neutral, and I got this beautiful set for less than $24. They have these in different sizes: full, twin, queen, and king size. The material is amazing, super high quality. He loves this pattern, and it's going to work perfect on my son's bedroom. And it comes with this super cool bag too that I think I can also use once I'm traveling. I can put all of my clothes in here and use this for travel or store many things in my house. My plan is to bring these like very industrial touch to my son's bedroom, and I found the perfect prints on Temu to hang on my son's bedroom, guys, and they are these amazing like vintage prints. I got them for less than $5. It comes with 4 pieces, 8 by 10, and they are perfect for your wall art decor. This is perfect for gifts for your home. And something that I really like about this, I thought they were paper, but no, they are cardboard. They're very sturdy, and the price is amazing. So this is going to change the whole look on my son's bedroom too. I don't know why, but curtains can be so expensive, and I got ones on Temu that are very inexpensive, and the quality, it's amazing. I got these very neutral curtains at Temu. They cost less than $10. I love the material. This is like a very vintage kind of boho style. It's very neutral. It's going to work perfect for my whole decoration, and you can use this on your bedroom, your kitchen, your office. This is another item that is on sale right now, so make sure that you check Temu so you can grab all of the sales and start saving a lot of money. Another item that I got, and I'm really impressed about this, it cost me less than $4, and it's this adhesive window blind for less than $4. This is going to work perfect on my living room. I have a small problem in the living room, and it's that beautiful sun. It's beautiful, but it doesn't let us watch movies or our TV. This is going to block the sun perfectly. It's going to do the job. It's the perfect size for my windows. You can choose the size that you need for your windows. You even have like a small clip that you can use to open them up or close them. This is one of the most amazing finds that I just got, and I really like this. Okay guys, if we start from the beginning, we were talking about the stems and greenery and all of that. If you have stems and greenery, you need vases. And guys, I just got the most beautiful vases from Temu. These ones come in a set of 2, and I love the shape. I think they're very modern. They have a little bit of texture on them, and they come in 3 different colors and different sizes. You can get this in a set, or you can get them separated. I just have to get the set, so this cost me less than $20. You can get this in other stores for so much more, but at Temu you can always save money. You can get these pen pads at Temu. This one's cost less than $10. And guys, I think you can use these not just for fall. You can use these to decorate your house, maybe for spring and all year round, because this is beautiful. They are very delicate. They were packaged very good and I received them in a really great condition, so I was really surprised about this. And they have so many more different types of pampas that you can choose at Temu. I think I have one in my mouth. They're amazing. A little bit messy, but I love them. And guys, I'm going to give you the best tip that no one have told you, but that you really need to know. If you order from Temu, most of the items, especially clothes, they come with these gigantic Temu bags. You don't need to keep these, guys. You can store so many things, clothes, I don't know, so many things. They have a zipper on and you can close them. This is so amazing. The quality is brilliant and I love them. So make sure that if you get your first order from Temu and you have this bag, that you keep them for yourself and reuse them and reuse them and reuse them, because this is amazing. And guys, I really hope that you like it, that you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Make sure that you check my links in the description box. I'm going to leave you the link for Temu, and also that you use my coupon code because it's going to save you even more money. And make sure that you are subscribed to this channel for amazing hacks. Thank you for the love and support, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.